All right, let's go ahead and do this. 25. I'm going to go ahead and label these. So you can do it on yours. I'm going to go ahead and do angle F is right here. I'm going to label that with 25 degrees. Angle A, 73 degrees. Okay, and BC, that's 44. And EF, so both of them, BC and EF, are both 44, so EF. So they don't look the same, they don't look congruent, but they're both 44. And the angle C and the angle G right here are both 82. So angle C, I'll use a different color. How about that? So that's angle C, 82. And angle G, also 82. Okay. So you may have to use your calculator to figure out the missing angle. So I may, you know what, I am gonna go figure out this angle right here. Okay, so I'm gonna use a calculator, the green one. So I'm gonna start with 180. Then I'm gonna subtract 82. And I'm gonna subtract 25. And that'll give me 73 right here. Okay, and that matches. All right, so and then I'm going to go ahead and figure out this one right here also. Okay, so I'm going to go 180 minus 82 minus 73, and that gets me 25. And it also matches over here. So what I'm focusing on is trying to see if I can get them to be congruent to each other. So let's see. Where's my color? Okay. So the only side I have is the 44. So I have that 44 and 44. And on the side of it is 25. On the side of it is 25. So that matches. On the other side is 82. And on the other side is 73. See how that doesn't match? So that means that we cannot say that these are congruent. So these triangles are not congruent. So are the triangles congruent? This is no. Okay. So they are not congruent. Explain why not. So I'm going to say not congruent since since we have so that doesn't match, and for this to work, let's see. That one. Oh, that doesn't. Trying something new, guys. Almost got it. Oh, there it is. Okay, so it's not congruent because get rid of this. Okay, because we have, sorry about that. So we have 73, 44, and then 25, and that makes a side angle side right here. And then if we want to use a 73, 25, and 44, this side we have an angle side. So it's not congruent since we have angle side versus, right, side angle side. Okay. Let's look at the next one. Are the triangles of the right congruent? If so, describe a series of rigid transformations that maps one triangle onto the other. All right, so let's look. We might have to find some missing angles. Let's see. So we have, first off, we have the 9. We have that 90 degree. Matches with that 90 degree. And another last one, I didn't use the right colors to match them. What else we have? We have 55 degrees. And let's see if this one's 55. So let's use our calculator. So you go 180, take away 90, take away 35, and that'll leave us with 55. So this one is 55. Okay, and then let's match. Well, actually, that's all we need, right? We need to have two angles. And remember, from our list of congruencies, okay, we have angle, side angle, which we have two angles. Okay, we need the side in between. We actually need this side in between right here, or this side, but we don't know anything about those, so we can't do that one. And then we also have angle, side, right? Which means I need to be able to figure out the other side. So we have angle, and then so we have red angle, blue angle, and then we either have a side here, red angle, blue angle, and then a side here, but we don't know anything about those, so that's not gonna do. We could do blue angle, red angle, and then a side here, blue angle, red angle, and then a side over here. So do those match? We don't have that either, right? So these triangles are not congruent. Okay. And then the last one, we need to graph each of these. Let's go with first one, this one right here. Okay, so we're going to start. This is already in slope-intercept form. We're going to start in the back at +1. And this one says go down 2 and over to the right 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's our point. So we're going to do the same thing. Left 5 times and up 2. So this will be our line right here. If we were to graph it, it would look something like this. Okay. Actually, we wouldn't even have those dots. It just looks something like this. Okay. Second one. Is this one here. We're going to start at -2. And then it'll be down 2 and over 5. Down 2, 1, 2, and over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there. And then opposite, left 5 and up 2. If we were to graph it, it would look something like this. Okay. Okay. So to solve the system equation below using the method of your choice. So this one we're graphing it because it's already set in slopeness form. If there is not a solution, explain why. So this one has no solution. And why? Because these lines are parallel to each other. Okay. So this is because the lines are parallel. You can see that with the slope as well. Okay, the slope, if you look at the slope, they're both negative 2/5.